All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and we've been talking about this for, it feels like a month, because it has been a month. Right here, the blue line is your 9-day exponential moving average. You can see it's dealt with it occasionally, hasn't closed below it, and it's been consistent support. And as long as the 9-day continues to be support, and unless and until the bears can convert that 9-day and turn it into resistance, you're going to continue to see this bleed to highs. They will just bleed it up, and they will do it again and again and again. I don't know about doing an upper band ride, meaning can it catch the yellow line here, which is your upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart. So basically 2 standard deviations from the 20-day simple moving average, which is, the green line here. The thing you have to understand about Bollinger Bands is they're going to continue to expand as price expands. So trying to catch that is, it's like trying to catch the golden ring on a merry-go-round that just keeps going faster and faster, and the ring keeps getting a little bit wider, farther and farther away. Maybe you can grab it, but it's going to take some effort. Doesn't mean if they don't get news fuel behind them and that acts as the wind in their sails, they can't come up and grab it. But I think the more important takeaway from this tape is, look, you can try to fight this thing, but you better pick your spots, and you better understand that if you're wrong, you better respect risk and then get back on the trend side. If that isn't a trend up from September, then I don't know what the hell is. So we will continue to grind to the upside unless and until the bears can convert that blue line into resistance and take it meaningfully down from there. The first stop would obviously be the green line there, the mid-band. We've talked forever in here, talked for going on 6, 7, 8 years about upper band, middle band, lower band. Well, you got to deal with the blue line first. And the blue line doesn't feel like breaking anytime soon. Hourly chart. I wrote yesterday, we're climbing the stairs. Look, they had a decent opportunity here, taking out the hourly mid-band, but they couldn't get it to stick. And they couldn't get this to stick either. And once they lost their way here in Globex, got back on top of the daily pivot, which is the purple dotted line here, they continue to just walk this thing up into highs during Globex. Did it yesterday. So Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Globex, Globex, Globex. New all-time high. New all-time high, new all-time high. Weekly pivots down here, 3104. I thought we might have had a chance yesterday morning right off the open. We actually tried to shorten that regard. I made exactly 0 handles yesterday. Nada. Got stopped out of everything. Could have taken some things for 4 or 5 handles, but I really wanted the run-up. So what we ended up doing was we ended up getting long against 18, which was our risk marker into the close and into Globex. And so we woke up to, anywhere between 8 to 12 handles, depending on where you took it. So we got paid. It just took, just RTH. I couldn't really get anything going. Maybe I wasn't seeing it well, but the tape just wasn't giving up a whole heck of a lot if you wanted to do something more than, say, a 4 to 5 handle scalp. And I felt like doing more. And, it's that. And the error on my part there is trying to get the tape to conform to what I wanted to do on a particular day. You can't do that shit. That's stupid. If the market's only going to give up 4 or 5 handles, and you take your 4 or 5 handles, you say thank you very much, and you book it. Now, do you have to be a little clairvoyant? Yeah, but I could tell by the afternoon what the market was doing. And so I made an active choice to basically not make money. Didn't lose any money, but to not make money, trying to get the market to take my square peg thinking and jam it into a round hole and give me 6, 7, 8, 10 handles when it just really wasn't ready to do it. So I could have taken the 11 I got last night, added it to probably at least 2 or 3 4 to 5 handle scalps yesterday, and I'd have my week made instead of only being up 11 for the week. So look, trading is a funny thing, and you never know what the tape is going to throw at you on a particular day, but it's always a lesson learned. All right, there's the opening bell. I got to get to the room. More stuff out on social. Take care, trade them well, get in here. Come trade with us. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.